What is the best product to clean upholstery? When it comes to eliminating spots, absorbed oils, and impacted dirt, Oxi Fresh's upholstery products are the best. When combined with our powerful cleaning machine, we can get your favorite upholstered furniture feeling fresh again. The Oxi Fresh cleaning system starts with an enzyme-based pretreatment solution. This rapidly but safely breaks down oils and grime in the upholstery fabric. After that, we apply an encapsulated rinse and then thoroughly clean the furniture with our Oxi Pro machines. So to get the best products for cleaning your upholstery, contact Oxi Fresh today. Use the online scheduler at www.oxifresh.com or call the scheduling center at 1-877-OXI-FRESH. We can't wait to serve you and to leave your home's upholstery clean and fresh again.